Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we want to simplify 2 cos²x plus 3 sin²x minus 1. Right, so we are going to use the Pythagorean identity. Okay, so Pythagorean identity is one of trigonometric identities, and the identity says that sin² x plus cos²x equals to 1. And from here, we can make cos²x the surrogate of the formula. Okay, so we have cos²x now equals to 1 minus, when you bring this here, sin²x. Okay, so this is what we are using. We're going to substitute this into the expression. Right, so the expression we have 2 cos²x plus 3 sin²x minus 1. So it means that anywhere we see cos²x, we're going to write 1 minus sin²x. So we have 2, then open bracket, 1 minus sin²x, and plus, write this 3 sin²x minus 1. So let's open the bracket. 2 times 1, we have 2. 2 times sin²x, we have 2 sin²x, plus this 3 sin²x minus 1. Okay, so sin², so these are like terms. We have minus 2 and plus 3. Minus 2 plus 3 will give us 1. So it means we have 1 of that sin²x, then minus this 1. 2 and minus 1 are also like terms. We collect them. So we have 2 minus 1 plus sin²x. 2 minus 1 is 1. So our final answer is 1 plus sin²x. It means 2 cos²x plus 3 sin²x minus 1 has been simplified to 1 plus sin²x. Alright, so let's try this. Let's try 4 sin²x plus 5 cos²x minus 2. Okay, so I want us to try this and drop our answer in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also share. And if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. Thank you.